garden. That's my brand new Haas hat. Is it messed up? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, we have a serious problem that I want to show you guys a little bit of the result of this problem. I'm out here in the garden and the problem is right here behind me, and that was with the corn. So as you can see, I had to transplant part of these rows on down because when I came out the other day, animal had dug up probably 10 to 15 stalks of my corn that was laying on the ground, had been basically destroyed from paws going through it. So I went and looked a little bit closer, and it had little puppy paws, which only means one thing: Hank. So Hank found himself out in my garden and thought it was going to be a playground for digging. Well, it's not a playground for digging, Hank. He got in trouble, and I had to go through and retransplant several plants and shorten up the rows just to take account for that. So this isn't the only thing Hank has been doing lately. He also tends to come outside and pee right on the porch, right where you walk out. Our other dog, Jojo, goes out to the bathroom in the field, in the pasture with the cows. Hank, on the other hand, does not. I'll show you where he likes to go. Yep, that's good old Hank. Oh, there he is. What are we going to do with Hank, Ransom? He's a puppy, and we're gonna have to deal with it or move on.
Do I have to say, you told me so?
You should, that would be appropriate.
All right, guys, so I'll show you some footage of some other things I've got the last couple of days. He chewed Mazzie's seat off of her bike. I'll show you that right now. Well, another casualty. This puppy is gonna make me lose my mind. Hank, you better leave stuff alone, boy. Oh, he's hiding underneath there. He knows he's guilty. Ranger got that scooter from Grandma the other day that he is really liking to ride, and he chewed the charger cord in half. What in the world? Hank! He got the charger off of Ranger's scooter. What am I gonna do with this dog, guys? Quit chewing on stuff. If you want to stay on Walker Farm, you have to stop chewing on stuff, dude. So no.
So the charger cord, I had to splice that back together. It does work, luckily now. But Hank has continued to be a little bit of a terror. Hank, are you the terror on Walker Farm?
Now's the time for you to take up for yourself. Explain yourself, son. He's just cute. So, he's a puppy. He's gonna chew on stuff. The kids have to remember to put things up or he will chew it. I don't know what we'll do. Just depends on if it gets any better. The kids will be heartbroken if we have to get rid of him, but I don't know what else he can chew up and tear up before it's something we can't fix. So he puts trash all over the yard, but we're just gonna have to do a better job of putting stuff up.
Or get rid of him.
So I guess comment down below. If you know what helps puppies not chew stuff up, let us know. Should we get rid of him? Should we give him chance number 75? What should we do? Mazzy wanted to show you the bike. I showed you the footage to where I found it, but it used to have pom-poms. He ate the pom-poms off, both sides, and the seat. This bike was brand new. And
For my birthday.
for your birthday. So, he hasn't messed up this bike yet. You better keep it put up right or it'll get messed up. He thinks it really starts. You've been watching a lot of dirt bike videos, haven't you? You know it's got a kickstart. Oh, there he goes, guys. Ooh, you left a black mark. Oh my goodness.
Hey, why do you like my motorcycle? You get a motorcycle.
You want a real motorcycle? Papa says he's gonna get you one. We'll have to see. Whoa, that was a big black mark. And so in one of our previous videos, we showed you where we put little cards on there to make a motor, but Ransom wore them smooth off, so we're gonna have to put some more. And Hank chewed some off. So Nana brought this by the other day. Someone had given it to her because it didn't work anymore. She bought a $50 battery and show them what it can do.
Let's go.
So it is a Razor brand scooter. Yes, it's pink, but Ranger don't mind. He'll ride it. He has had a lot of fun the past couple of days. And the little thing can actually move. Online it says it can get up to 13 miles an hour. The charger that Hank ate in half last night is for that. So Gary was able to splice it like he said. It works now. But I just don't know. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with the puppy. We were hesitant to get a puppy for a long time because Gary knew he would chew on stuff and tear stuff up. And so it's kind of, you know, I told you so. But we're gonna do what we can to make sure we keep stuff put up until he gets over this chewing stage, and maybe he never will. I don't know. Let us know down below what you think we should do. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate you guys following us along. As always, have a great, safe Memorial weekend, and God bless.